Rainbow readers make children's eyes sparkle. That's what we aim for in the work Children's Book Network does with 10 to 12-year-old children who can technically read but don't read. We need reading material that is short, to the point and cost-effective, but most of all, we need words that excite children and turns them into readers. Rainbow readers tick all the boxes. We have used them for nearly a decade now in workshops and reading toolboxes, and they never fail. The non-fiction is as important as the fiction, particularly with reluctant readers. Interest levels are high in Rainbow readers, but so is the level of fun and enjoyment. Because the books are so well graded, we can expose our children to many different levels and give them a choice, something they seldom get in other contexts.